It's a great dreary winter day to talk about power boxes. If you're looking for your next project for the spring or this winter time when the ground ain't frozen, it's good to add a power box of your own. We got this one on Amazon. It was actually pretty cheap. 50, 30, and 20 amp breakers. All the plugs that go with it. We don't need a 50 amp for our RV, but in case we ever upgraded down the road or somebody else stayed here and needed to have a plug-in, they could. The 120 is nice because we can plug the boat in if we ever need to put the battery charger on the boat. It's all right here, nice and convenient. Nice lid, so just like you'd have at an RV park, it's fully weatherproof. We can plug everything in. It's all easy access right here. All we had to do was tie into our sub breaker box that was in the garage, buried a line all the way down here to this. It's been a real convenient improvement. Otherwise, the way we were doing it was just running a long extension cord across the ground and having to move it every time we had to mow the lawn, which is not safe. It's not safe to bury an extension cord. So we finally got down to it and just did it. Another thing to note with extension cords that spend a lot of time out in the sun, they will dry out and crack, which means they are prone to causing fires. And it's not good to run an air conditioner off a 15 amp circuit anyways. So having a full 30 amp power box for us right here has been a very convenient and well needed upgrade. I recommend it for anybody that has an outdoor parking place for their RV to be plugged in all year round.